Hey guys, today is official Buy Nothing Day. Don't go out and buy stuff on the Friday after Thanksgiving. It's Buy Nothing Day. Stay home and make Thanksgiving leftovers. I swear it smells just like Thanksgiving all over again. This is a Thanksgiving themed Minnesota hot pot. Hot pots usually have some kind of ground meat in the bottom of a casserole dish, mixed with a gravy or a creamy sauce. Then you have your choice of vegetables in the middle. There usually has to be cheese, and it must be topped with tater tots. No, no mashed potato. Do something else with your leftover mashed potato. You gotta have tots for this. So it was sizzling fresh out of the oven. Let me scoop some out and you can see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, it's super steamy still. Ideally, you have to let it sit in the pot for 10 to 15 minutes to cool off before you serve it. But it's it's a single pot Thanksgiving meal. I used a very small pot because I don't actually have a lot of leftovers. I'll put the recipe on my blog and link it in the description. It's a recipe for a much larger pot. But it's basically all by eye. You pick whatever pot you want to cook it in, and you put your layers in. The first layer is the turkey, which I shredded into bite-sized pieces, covered with gravy. Next layer was the green bean casserole. Then I put the cheese on top of the beans, and then there was just enough room for the tots. I got Cascadian Farm Spud Puppies. You can also get them in sweet potato, not just white potato. I like white potato best. And there you have, like, classic Midwestern Americana cuisine done up Thanksgiving style. Let me see if this is cool enough. Oh. Mm. You know, it sounds like a junk food meal, but it's really good. Mm. Really kind of thickens up down in there. Mm. And of course, cheese and tater tots are always good on anything. Mm. I'm glad I gave that a try. So yeah, stay home and enjoy Thanksgiving leftovers. And watch a dubbed Italian Herkathon on your TV. I have a CD collection of 50 dubbed Italian Hercules movies. They aren't all about Hercules, but they're all dubbed Italian, strong, He-Man hero type movies. I just love them. I love them. They're almost as good as horror movies. So yeah, see if you can find some of those and don't go shopping. Unless you need to buy the Herkathon. Well, that'll be okay. So anyway, thank you everyone for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, regular uploads. Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Although I think this is going to be going up all... I'm going to try to do leftovers all Thanksgiving weekend. And let me see, regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. Occasional, I don't know if I'm going to do shorts. I really don't like the format. If I do a short video, like a minute or less, I'm going to do it in landscape mode so that YouTube won't automatically convert it into a short. So short videos and oddball videos on Wednesdays. Cat videos on Catterday, except not for this Catterday. I'll probably do leftovers. And let me have another spoonful of this for the road. It's good with, I mean, you could put mashed potatoes on top if you wanted to. But a proper hot pot has tots. See you later, guys.